Master, Oluwa be the only friend you say I am born to lead where you are born to follow. I be mafia, yaro zongo, me I dey do the follow. Pepe them be the shit up, they are for as a queen up. Are you my colleague? I never know that I'm you about chico. Why you disrespect your master? Why you forgive respect? Listen, baby, you go for respect. You got to hear word and keep thinking. We are Simubia on the master. Ubia the master. Pay for crowd master. Senedi Japan master. Be a master. Shama be a master. Master, you gotta be finita. Yeah, master. When I'm in show, must get ready be Monday. Secretary General Power Master, not Bill Gates. A show must say, you know, when I hit a hot cake, I didn't want it to convex, I must say a concave. Yeah, so book that you money, I know when the show was a pepe. You want to come up, come and draw on them. Put the young come fit to say, she had your mind. I get baby, a papa, chicken, and then I got no come up on the chin up. We have been using the digestion. Yeah, if you finish on the pass, you have a team enough for your own cooking.
Yeah, we see chiamu na ya bachoba pe na wa share video na my wife. Yeah. Yo, we see for me chiamu na mama mu nyina akwaba. Amanda nwumbre mepa mu nyina so chew. Eda no me ma dwensa nka meba live but mentumi amba. Sabre na yenu Kofi Adoma ye program to ka so be frame me. I say won microphone bi o ho a o mama me platform ni ade nti wo mu a o say me so me de respect ene ni de mom. Ene adwuma na ye no mo hwe Kofi Adoma base scout nom adwuma ba ko ne ye nti say me beba live na Kofi Adoma so beba live a me ye good say mema mo akɔhwɛ ono so na yesua de wo ti ye sorry said and mama ene yaba meda no prophecy about 2019 no my address first one so for usu bempa de no na ende so de no yaba behwe asofo na aka no ende no na mpesa nka me ye obi a 11 me ye so for beduku bi the prophecies no na nka ma ye prophet Nigel na nka another day na ma be ye eagle prophet but edro I am say be waste of time nti o say me ka mo nyina bom oh ye ka mo nyina bom na ye address issue ne ba ko na ye were other things to learn ye were niam wo say yesua na o man Ghana eko nanim na o man Ghana efa ne tuma pefra essence say ye be waste time on this prophecies aba no na mesre Ghana fo mpanyimfo a mo hwe yesre mo nye serious o man dia betum pon a ye the rule of law o ye Ghana ni o ye stubborn sign when ye den sign uduru Germany the law in Germany will control you o ye stubborn sign o koduru US the law in US the rule of law ebe control Ghana emra nya adwuma enti obi atumi ka de ope obi atumi ye de ope wo man nim yesere Ghana fo mpanyimfo o man na say to the extent to say there are some people in this country they are above the law Ghana ha emra no ehiafo pe na emra no etumi chi won na emra no deal with omo ti mesere mu nyina Ghana fo mpanyimfo monye ntoto ye yie na o man Ghana entumi mfa ne ntoma pa na emfra yada mu nyina ase ti mechiachia mu nyina mepa mu nyina achew mo amu ni madwuma me ye Alliance Motion Global a network marketing wa we interested eno an say When me number to be WhatsApp me, send me the business information. Send me the business information. Na me the business information no. Na me the assign no. And I assign with product. Enya de ton, but you product. Your product in ebini. They kind of I mean for Apostle Kojosafo the quantum pendant and where for radiation. Oh, radiation. The same your phone you use your laptop na niam no have gain nti wonye bia ebeboa o 200 Ghana and you sign what where your friend no energy any ya the telephone echi wo hwe me iPhone echi a energy no the ball no and also for radiation and you 50 Ghana and you aim global alliance emotion global your product ni bi hello. Well, say me kasa me shada peke me kasa me ye teachings still now wo frɛ so auntie any energy ni ena de atosu biom we ye feminine wash eno ye for man no eno ye for a man no ebsire mo e ma oba se kama for infection eno ma oba se tight ena a sign eboa ma enwifu kama ene dandruff ena when so ye Ghana for the be doing too much obi ono anim say maba life still no ofre and when so ye masculine wash for emema eboa ma ye bema no enya hoden kama and ma ne enlarge kakra and a sign for infection and a sign for bald hair obi na pempemu pa o use a enwi be fu kama na unya bald hair ye another product food supplementer what they become where ye toffee it contains 16,000 nutrients for embofra toffee. Can you grab it to Yafa? Hana bois the brain, Emankoda, very smart, toffee. And the top direct selling product in the world. Any you find C24/7 cellular protection 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week. You could have 22,000 phytonutrients. 120 Ghana. Name Juma no. Me football team na ma start na wa person support football JC ana football boot me aframe me number is 0244 856241 ena this year no said Desmond obedidi attempt me block no why echi sebe eji me sem wo platform we so ti mesra mu nyina na this year no me start course kakra na me di aboa omo a pese ye teaching said we me teacher me say be start teachings no pese bu disprove Bible no me pa chew say we need in-depth knowledge of the scripture na when we say Abraham he teach na also ko creative page na also be teach na when sua the act of presentation na we be mistake people will come on your page and insult you yesremu ti o say sua de kakra nti this year no me wild na mahwe me ye free kakra na nka ma frɛ mo ampese mo teach no na me critic course kakra na yesua de ti me da mo nyina ase na chechi Ghana for paying for mo follow mo am friend mo send contribution for TV program me da mo nyina ase me sra mo e be se ko TV so na TV stations ni bi o hɔ a omo je 4,000 e bi o hɔ a omo je 6,000 big TV stations no yentumi nko ho sisi a enti TV stations in Ketwano, your followers that into your dequa, kakra na a pija. Into Miss Remuna, what person what TV program no and roughly, you 24,000, 240 million. Sikabano, says ya 5,500, 5,005, 5,005. What person webiano, no abeboa. Yenya baby, it was US, executives lebako, or person creative. GoFundMe account na me di tudwa na wa pese o contribute no wa contribute ye nua ba akoso ewo say UK ono so say odena obema me account bi na wa pese support wo UK no na wo do contribution e de ato ade ye bia no ye hiska na ye de aboa ye nka se de koboa nyankopan adwuma ye de ko TV so ye de beye MTV ni radio na aboa na message no edu akire we know what we are doing ye nim de ye nim say ye nua no eni dawo more religion mu kura no I am very careful enti be damu nyina ase mesra mu because Abraham don't block anyone me block here me mamu say me block no be I steady if you don't agree with what we are doing chida wadwen men didi atem enti simple wo didi atem pe wo be di blockings enti madam nyina ase na ya hye dwumedie na ase me number is 0244 856241 0244 856241 ena mesre obi biara opese woni me Avram dele no memfemfo obia so me pacha woni me ankasa ndele ebinom ene me kodele e de akofa obi so ma akofa problem di aba mesre wa me number is 0244 856241 midi ankasa e wo me ID card so open midi wo me ID card so a eye Abraham Ali Ibrahim Abraham Ali Ibrahim ene wo me ID card ene me passport so me dam ngina ase ye be hye dwumedie na ase ene nwumbre no eye sofo usu enti be dam ngina ase say Variety Night Social Media Awards no ye wini awards no ye wini emu the grand award no ye wini the social media personality of the year enti ye fa social media personality of the year most influential and ye fa most popular enti be dam ngina ase I dedicated this award to CSF nyinara anymore mo follow movement me dam ase mo ye new no mesra mo ba nya botre ye wo ye nto osom bi mu ye wo ye to nchechire bi mu ye wo ye nto gidie bi mu aha no ye ka kire wo say bisa question mesra mo nti wo som no bisa question o betena som ni mu atene mu but the mechanic say ma adwene nya dwuma nti be da CSF nyina ase ye nhye dwumedie na ase nti ene no 3 in 1 Prophet Nigel the prophecies prophet Kubi the prophecies any prophet eagle prophet ediefo miensen omo prophecy na maka bom into mafia versus ninja no part 2 3 and 4 and maka bom yen finish omo de no enda nwumbre na yen to aso enya temdidie de bebe bia no obete with all due respect say mamu na mati asese so for usu bempa wa frame o frame no when didi matem there be when didi matem one me kasa ya o say obe frame back na ye di nkomo enti ofra de wo bia no mama mo asewate omutie if we are making sense they are listening me man sofo e Christopher obi ate ase se me nyamedwuma no a mo se mo ye na ma ye bida me ka kire mo say I will never attack the personality of Sofo Usubempa me nye bida opanyini Kubi oye me papa me pe eagle prophet oye me bra me pe o bishop obinim we ba kwa fa say Reverend Bofo omo ye me relatives me pe but me mom ati ase se mesua bible no mu kura no mesua ena we no enye pride mesua bible ne kura sin homo because me da bible no mesua ne continuous 16 years 16 continuous years and bibisa question Quran mesua kakra hadith mahwem me hu de awom mesrem especially asofo no bible na munsua ena Christosum no ye wo prophet ye wo pastors and ye wo evangelist and pastor for no omo ha adwen omo nta ha adwen omo amani gi omo ho evangelist for no me na me ye evangelist me ye evangelist ana me na ma be preaching na me wo 9 branches na me wo 2 branches wo tema New Town tema Community 1 me wo branch wo Medina na me wo branch wo Dansoman me wo branch wo Mankesim me wo branch wo Winiba Asimfosu Asimkushia and me kwati another branch wo Ashiama na me wo 9 branches me ye research me hu say Sebi the God of the Bible was invented. Jesus never existed. Enti mejai mama members no obi ankoye adwuma me hu say the only thing that will save people even if there is heaven enye wu abeje prophet Muhammad edi na abeko enye wu abeje Jesus edi na abeko na de obeko heaven according to every religion eye wu abeye de etene he that doeth what is right. Believe in Prophet Muhammad, go to Mecca, pray 5 times a day, do charity. Now when you're sincere and a good person, you will never inherit the Islamic heaven. Je Christo ni kofa Jesus fanishe wiyem mayem pai wiyem yenu fa Jesus inwure mni ensampam na wambo ubreye ando wunua anye sincere anye honest anye just ya heaven won kobi And what you say, sincerity, justice, and honesty is above the belief in Jesus and even the belief in God. And have dream, Christo Sumono, a prophet. People who claim they can enter the spiritual realm, people who claim the God of the universe speaks to them. Enipa ye wu hwiase ye 7 billion ada ye no yakane Nyankopon ofere yana. Is God afraid of his creation? Enti Nyankopon kakraka mo describing in religion. Nyankopon no minim so said there was so bo universe no was so na no so sai Nyankopon kakraka enti ontumi nkasa na Ghana fo nyina ne ewiase ni pregnant ne. But we have selected few people who claim say omunko na sa Nyankopon ne omokasa. At the end of the day, what do we see? We see some people who claim say God speaks to them. They are becoming rich. They make more money. With their prophecies, they destroy beautiful families. With their prophecies, they are controlling people. With their prophecies, they cause fear and panic. Okasemia, okasetiamia, eradi bekun. Hey, they make no one gin to one. Wa my neighbor say, enti de omo ye hu but omo ye nipa. Me mo atiase. Nyankopon obi ankasa. E wo Jeremiah 14:14. He doesn't speak to anybody. Na prophecy aba no ebi nie. Me boboso, me boso for ni dia. Na me de ne prophecies ne go ewia na te me bo prophecies na te me bo no tetew na yama yenso ya dwenkyere no. I'm not here to attack anybody's personality. Me ni osofo bi ani problem. O kasa na wo boa mema Ghana fo nyina hu se wo boa. Asofo ni nyinara prophecy o mo hye ye nyinara eye prediction. Eye bosremuka eye adwenkyere. Sebe mprebiasa. Asofo na mu firi Kumasi eba Accra no mo ha adwen. Asofo na asantemem mu ye no asantefo ne tata mu a na mu di mu ani a kyere Accra no mo ya ha o man Ghana. Edifo yi nara efiri Kumasi eno mo anu ate adana mo ha adwensa adan ena mo di Nyankopon din enkune nipa saa adana mo ko kasapi koko na se mo nko hye kurase na mo nhye nkom mo yina mo begu Accra. O ka say prophecy ena se so man prophecy doesn't build nations. One commission no enyo man Ghana hwe enti na my topic no useless prophets with useless prophecies because mo prophecies no useless na mo ati ase asante ngini bewu said ye odifo ne kan ye no asante ni wu a what is the use? Patapa bewu patapa wu a what is the use? What is the benefit that Ghana will gain from Patapa's death? Patapa wu na Ghana ye Kwame Yuji bewu owu na Ghana sesa ebo atamo sekurewu Ghana kran sesa na wan me have been moshe mi wu na ayede the death of people owu mo Bible no krasi owu eyemfaso asofo no mo abon with all due respect to the Bible Philippians chapter 1 verse 21 mo abon dodo ade Bible edo mumbie mu ani hwe Bible ni sika bebreba mu anya free Bible ni enti mu na sa Bible schools no kra den na mokosua ho Bible school no kra mokwa eden kra na mokosua ho na mo amidi mu ho yawo mo amidi mu ho yawo eya mo amwa school ti brofo university graduate na wo si software ontumi nkan ni din kron tumi spell na university graduate etene na asese kire Bible mu na wo na we university na wo ni Bible mu eni makenkan ya wo ni past tense eni present tense eni part of speech eni figure of speech eni metaphor simile personification a wo ni brofo wa kwatena software akenkan kra wo ni so no nkire o Bible mu a. You are not a fool, with all due respect, but you've lost critical thinking. Philippians 1. Just Aba Christopher mudi owuo kunegune nipa aso so phobia na odi owuo o mampengini bi wuo ebegune na Ghana me ka kire wabon with all due respect any Philippians 1:21 according to Muamu Bible any for what is life to me is it Christ death then brings well, the translation tatan time bi yeah eba maybe a P black one we chire kakra wow ana the topic sana say me ye no me ka say ye de akenkan ni nyina be ka ho a ye be che ye finish asofo no na akọ lesson so be ma chi on books eguo abon Bible da okra munsua Bible da okra munsua na sunsun wiase tie Philippians 1:21 e kan twi Bible na ti owuo nso ye de nya nipa mo asofo no mungu anka unso obi bewu a wo ye kristonia na waka che nipa se oh wama mpanyini mehu sa oba bewu enti wenwu a wo nkọ heaven enti de awurade asese wo ba bewu enti awurade yi a kire me se chief imam ba bewu enti wenwu a wo nkọ heaven enti chief imam nyankopọ beto ne nsafra wo ba be kọ heaven enye no ano no enye heaven am ani kwaje ti o ba ya awurade yi a kire me se afi eye awurade adomo a president Kofo wo bewu na wu a heaven da wanim nti awurade se me kan che o se owo ni de wo bewu na emum toto ne mayie na abekwa heaven wenwu a wo be da kwa heaven owu nso di wura nipa tie mo am Bible no enkremosom in Islam owu a wo bewu biara no they believe say awurade na ahyehye enti enkremofo nsoro wo wuo wanka samonje Bible ni Philippians 1:21 or say na medie masia metie ni Kristo na owuo eye memfaso Philippians 1:21 wait wow na medie masia metie ni Kristo na owuo eye memfaso enti according to Bible ba cho owuo enye mfaso enti se owuo no eye nyamesum prophet ya ada na mo asofo no mo nhihye owuo nkom ma church members no say church members ya mugu aso dem ha wenwu a wo nkwa heaven enti afi because sunsum wiase no ewurade se awiase yemfe nko ba bia na mo no wiase eni emu niema enti ewurade me mpai body se ewurade nkum nana mo nko heaven because according to mu Christopher awiase na ye bullshit mo ba se mo kire se ono nyankopon no ogbo wiase no woni mu nyansa nyankopon no ogbo wiase no woni mu nyansa na Bible na ka kire se mo no wiase anane ma egu wiase tie o 1 John 2:15 love not the world neither the things in the world na se obi do wiase a ejane do ni nimu na niema wo wiase no eye eniwa akono asetemu awo a emfiri gya no na ni na efiri wiase na wiase na akono de eretwem na de oye de awurade pe no obetena hoda 1 John chapter 2:15 osemu no wiase ene emu niema John 3:16 so say for God so loved the world Bible ne say women no wiase any wiase mu niema and the Bible say for God so loved the world nyankopon do wiase read the Bible with your head not with your heart ti mun sham kom na mun kum members ni na mun ko heaven na mun je wiase na ma wiasefo mun je wiase ma wiasefo patapa no mun tine wiase because Christopher mo japade na heaven mun ko heaven na mun ja ye wa ha ye bonsam ma wiase na hye bonsam nsa according to Muamu Bible Jesus ka say me dia me ko na wiase sudifo no ye den eba the book of Job say ya de wiase ahye wo bonefo nsa na che say wiase na sesia na ye bonsam dia na Muamu book na nkasa it doesn't make sense with all due respect Bible say wiase hye bonsam nsa the devil is the prince of the world wiase hye bonsam nsa logic and common sense why na bo wiase nyankopon ena wiase akodi bonsam nsemu a na chese nyankopon bo wiase no bonsam esizi Christopher boko de na nyankopon aboni wiase na bonsam asizi na wo kra wo phone na wo kra no eye easy so bi besizi afiri wonsam se nyankopon abo wiase na sesi ano akwakodi bonsam wonsam mama mwani na ho omo dada yache me baka prophecies neti every nation ebe develop education is number 1 priority. How we educate our children. Ghana education system work. We don't even have enough qualified teachers. Teacher for ketcha saying, Muko soon sumujiase, Munu nyansa, and country Munyankopon say, Yankopon, Ghana education I say, and Timmy free soon sumujiase bayano, and Radi Yach them say, Sawaman Ghana, Ebekun and Nimuan, we need good and qualified teachers. And to cathedral, Yenjai cathedral nisi, na yenfesi teacher training. Yankofa abrofo experts, yankofa ebin free China, yankofa ebin free US, yankofa ebin free UK. No me teach a teacher for my young na Ghana education system no emfa ne to ma penfra. Headmistress phobi, headmaster phobi or a teacher phobi or Africa, the teachers can't read. Nonsense. With all due respect. Oba besi National Cathedral. Mo Bible no mo sunwi. Isaiah chapter 66 verse 1. Robin amudi wa Ghana ha nya asemo egel prophet and the prophecies wuti ya wubesu egel prophecies sabi mprebiasa mama san krofo we take Ghana for granted na prophet kubi ejina ho kire abatwa yeto wo Ghana ha omuwiem na bia 940 ho me ba kan ya kire mo Isaiah chapter 66 verse 1. Tie Bible no. Me say National Cathedral me si amunsi. Na mo de si ayedin. Mo si National Cathedral ni bia. Make some problem ade beba. Because Oman Pengini Nanado, he is making a big mistake. Na wonya Pengini bia nka nkire no. Wo be ka kire Ghana for say National Cathedral na ubesi no. Eno wo hye Nyankopon bo e wo wakomam. Na O Shanyankopon bo wakumemu no. O ka kire Ghana for. Ghanaians voted for you because of the things in the manifesto, not things in your heart. Can you actually say come me ni Awurade kwapam. Now only o manifesto ne ba Ghana for nchen no. O be kan wakumemu asem na kire Ghana for ana manifesto. Enti so man payin na nado. Aka wakuma oni Awurade kwapam. So be si asodan ma na fa wuboto musika kosi asodan no ye no di problem. But once who see National Cathedral for Christians, it is an insult to all the Muslims who voted for you. It is an insult to common sense family people who voted for you. It is an insult to people who believe in traditional religion who voted for you. And the member said, Ghana phone paying 40 as you say, Musi National Cathedral na a national property. And Tiabosum for a babaji at the program. And Kremofo ebeba beji e dia ye program. Common sense family ye debate biara ye beba ho aba be ye debate no ye nsu ye be use e san say ye gina ye dia ye gina ye be free ye Nyankopon ho enye sa dia munsi bi for every religion enye Christopher nkwa ne vote man. What are you telling me? Na a girl prophet and so for usu bempa Ebeka say, who Abeka say tia National Cathedral, you will die. Nonsense. Panebe umimewu. I grow in a woody. With all due respect, Bufusem, Isaiah 66 verse 1, National Cathedral no, mubesino, muko sunsumu hiase. Se munyankopon na ne refi verse we tire nyankopon na oyi cathedral na kire mo no, ono nyankopon ne mu asem. Isaiah chapter 66 verse 1, the Lord says, heaven is my throne and the earth is my footstool. What kind of house then could you build for me? What kind of place for me to live in? Or say, Osuro, eye metnabia, na asase, eye menansi entiaso, edan ben, and I will bet to ye sidi amame. Over New Testament ya ose mu ni pedua eye Nyankopon asodan enti Nyankopon ompe National Cathedral na emum omanpanyin na nado se wosiesie wakomam na asie du nketea eye sinsie esiesie na komam na sofu owusu bempa esiesie na komam na me Avram bin Moshe Pamela Brown Dachi Hema Raskotoka Manya Koko won Dauda Adams Chief Imam yesiesie yakomamu a onu Nyankopon ode yakoma no ebe ya National Cathedral na wabetinem stop wasting taxpayers money yansue nyansa Ghana universities ahene yewo se asofo ni bi etumi si asofo ni bi etumi si university na ne church members ekura ntumi ntia they are scammers asole esi National Cathedral asole esi university ema asole ne members ekura ntumi ntia. Are we serious as a nation? Everybody is quiet. Obia ye din tete omani. Now, Misraya Nananum, they should raise people who will be even bolder and more confident than me. Na me kame chiremo. Say Nananum, nyane, omanya wu mofra, and mofra be ye bold, e be ye confident. E dano me ye video, na me sweating no. Me sweating no guy be type here Avram, look at the way you are sweating. You don't even have air conditioning in your room. What are you telling me? Me kasa air consisu and I'm sweating no. Even if I don't have air condition, it doesn't make any difference. Meti bebia no air condition. Bamaji award for United States. Stop judging people by the cars they drive. Stop judging people by their mansion. Judge people by their sense of humor. What did they make at all? Don't judge people by the dresses they wear. Don't judge people by how they look. Judge people by what is in them. Me, what is in me is greater than what is in the world. That's how. Message. Ebragana for Ebehu me Avram bin Moshe. Any common sense family. Ya home fast one. Now you're too late. Why? Now you're too late. So my yatim. Sabe previous or my Ghana. I don't need to say a fear a penny be anim. A fear a empenyum for na da. Empenyum for na bro ada. Me na me come chiro. Obi atumi ka di ope. In the name of God, we are finding who ready. Let's start here for the prophecies. No? Let's start with Prophet Nigel. Maybe so for Usubempa. Why? Prophet Nigel so need any. Na me Avram bin Moshe. Amaba Ghana fo nyina eni adaho. E biema amanfo ani. E disprove mo Bible and mo God. Mo hu me ho hwe. Me hu prophecy bi ama. Me na mo se me antichrist no. Me hu prophecy bi ama. E ma so for the hu say Ewurade yi akere me se abrantie bi pie wo man mu a ye fa na Avram bin Moshe no ye bonsam agent enti sa abrantie no Ewurade say me prophecy ama na prophecy e bebia na MPP NDC MPP NDC nti ba to CPP de Ewurade Nyankopon ka CPP wan se menya yie ekuya donko ne party hu prophecy de e ba enya yie min the prophet Niger or say the hand of the Lord came upon me. The prophecy di kind. Or say January to August. And which remember, wait, you don't need to be a prophet to know that. Prophet you don't need to be a prophet to know that January to August. And which remember, and which started at that. And way a nonsense, a useless. And which remember that. Ubeshe and which won't come one. And which won't come one. Not say, I won't talk. Ahoto wo hwa e na wo hye nkom se ahokyere beba ne yaka say ready ade strange ahokyere wo ho also see ahokyere beba. What are you telling me? I say nsuo to na wo see nsuo beto. You are not making sense. Ghana your banking system enti bu ko so ntum wiase enti ba cho nam one once me amba wonu man for when the men's gold as seminar de be ba mo na mo ntena men's gold as seminar mo nim de be ba mind him mo nim man for start you wu e wo men's gold ho a wo de tena ko sunsun hwiase kristofo no kristo ni a osika wo men's gold akwa asolestel de wo problem kristo ni what do it men's gold they be starting no odifo bi enya vision fa men's gold ho say bank bi ba system bi ba ye fa ni men's gold na wo do sika koto a problem beba mu ehu e ma so for ni bi kura sika da men's gold odifo no odifo kura de sika koto men's gold we ehu sa asem beba ho agro bi na modi o man ni di mo ka say mo fra won adwen na nya dwuma body ne bre I will enlighten my people that's all oni me panyimfo eta men's gold ade ne chia number 1 obi antumi nya ne hwio so say January to August aho kire beba ho dada we nya useless mfa so obi eni ho September to December ye ho be ye be free kakra na wo a woni megudade no wo de ahokire ne ma so wo a woni megudade no ahokire ma so na Ghana ha eni why na eni megudade agro na muni edi no be ka kire say o man Ghana system na say but obi biara obeye adwumaden no ne ho beto no what are you telling me na cafe boy na ne ho cafe boy no kura no oh yes kama na wenye sika tem na ne ho kire ne ti wo be mo kire se obi botom yeyie na ne ho nkire na e na kire se oso megurade and the scammers any ministers ni MP ni president fo a wo mo bo oman na bro no mo ho atom ne e no so ewurade nhira be ka kire obi biara afi wo be ye adwumaden wo be ye adwumaden na wa limit asole ko wa bra bo be si yiye me to aso I say this year the Lord says he will keep his own and preserve his own. Where your prophecy? Ewurade also be kura ne de na wabon ne de ho ban a. Where your prophecy? Adanyankopon ni munyansa so be bo ne ma ho ban. I don't need a prophet to tell me this. This is useless. There will be strange death. Where nyansa bi anim, there will be strange death. Afidan and a strange death in my. Osi wo wu a wani na so. Wo betia se we yewu. Oni we kasa na we owu bi a bebe bia ye strange meti hi o fra me sem mam ye wu sesi a ye strange ye tse so mam panyin bi ewu a ye strange ka abo abofra bi a ye strange ensuofo bi we ya prophecy I remember still obonsem children will be missing and mofra ba yira we kra na wo say police for to nsafre no wa wo baba yire bia no fra prophet Nigel oni be bia mofra ne wo because we are the prophet of God ewrade tell say mofra ba yira enti abofra bi yira pe obi anko prophet Nigel ho say prophet Nigel bi ni say ewrade ne wonate prophet Nigel wa jade ewrade yi kire wo say mofra ba yira prophet Nigel me pacho ko sunsum hwiase ko bi say ewrade say me ba ne wen gwantumi enyi abofra na mba ko report no adena Ghana for ya adwenya dasa adena ya adwenya da ewrade yi akire ti ewrade no no ntumi mo ne ma ho ban. So your God cannot stop these things from happening unless we pray. So you want to tell me your God is so stupid that he gives bad prophecies, but when we pray, our prayer change his mind. Nobody can change the mind of the Lord. Say uradi bi ho nyankopon bi obo soro ni asase wo ho na uradi so beku nipa empire bon sesana dwen. Can you advise God? Me say wa obaba yire bia fra prophet Nigel me man nine ba ko yela hwim me ko prophet Nigel ho and the first time in church me ba me me killers no zongo killers no ye ko ho ye ba prophet Nigel me ma bo prophet no o kan me jiwudi. I know what you can do ewurade no na ye adwuma ti prophet Nigel maba sunsum hwiase gate bi eni ho enti en lock gate no when one can chem say when you prepare ti me pa che ko sunsum hwiase na ko bi se wunya nkopon se eyampa oyi kire wo se mbofra ba yira no kurem ne baba kwa yira bi se wurade onche be bia bofra ne wona men koyi no nonsense me to aso o say political court cases na political court cases enye ne ho dadade we your prophecy say political court cases ebeba now political court cases ya line nkrofo happy mama nye fast kra I see 2020 to 2024 hey 2020 to 2024 yebenya female vice president eno kra de wechire enti odru 7th plane ho eno ko hu sa de no we ya grobi I say the hand of the Lord came upon me and he didn't call western region now okunu say vice president obano ba ebi betumi apie free eastern region any Voltarian mama fa no kwanto nche. Number 8, national security should check our borders. I say national security and check your borders. Now ade awoku no on person obeka. Me pa che wo. National security in checking borders. We don't need God. We don't need prophecy to tell us we should check our borders. Me start a common sense family. They be your borders as a menka. Or maybe be secure that enye ne borders. To be so kire say Ghana fo mpanyimfo ni munyansa se check your borders. Nyankopon na nka kire. Common sense we ewrade nka kire. Are we babies? Je mpanyimfo metutu kwan. O mampanyin nanado a wetu kwan atena UK. Akọ countries on this Nyankopon na nka kire Ghana fo say Ghana ye border ya wak border. Togo fo soli agom. Nigeria for soli agom. Fulani for soli agom. China for soli agom. Obiana Malaysia for them Ghana have rough. Wait, do we need prophecy or we need common sense? We don't need prophecy. We need simple logic to know that we should check our borders. I see the okuno on person beka on can miawa. Prophet Niger, what you see, if you don't want to say it, then shut up and go and sleep. And you're useless. Metwaso. I say one major shopping mall will catch fire. They should check the wires. And we should beef up security. Prophet Niger, prophecy way, one of the useless prophecies in your prophecy. One of the useless prophecies in your prophecies. Any, also one of the major way shopping mall. No, one body. Eja beto na yen check wires. Na kire say ewurade kire wo wire no. Enti we simple logic. Na wa shopping mall. Na wa ka kire shopping mall authorities na say me ko sunsum hwiase no. Wire bi hye ha na mo sesa wire no. Adanye we na mo ya na me ka say mo jimi na mo sesa me didi atem no. With all due respect we jimi sem. The shopping mall will catch fire. It will come from a wire. The Lord showed you the wire. So if it is West Hills Mall, you know. If it is Accra Mall, you know. If it is Junction Mall, you know. Even if it is the new Takrade Shopping Mall, you know. Just go there. Simple and tietia. Point to the wire. Let them fix the wire and stop fooling. Betwaso. Osi Kidi. Kwame Eugene any Kwesi Atta omonya very careful now omo life with danger. Wow. I wonder how many gods give these people, give these prophets the prophecy. One God will give a different prophecy to Sofo Usubempa. The same God will give a different prophecy to Prophet Niger. The same God will give a different prophecy to Osofo Kubi. The same God will give a different prophecy to Obinim. The same God will give a different prophecy to Adai. Why are you insulting the force in nature? You, this prophet, you are a disgrace to the God who created the universe. Man, I'm a catcher. And I can say we don't believe there is God. We believe in a different concept of God from yours. Now, maybe I come different prophecies. Metwaso, Kwesi Atta, Kwame Eugene, any Kidi. Omo show my brother boy. Now, Kwame Eugene only Kwesi Atta no. And me dim ho ya papa. na mo bet na radio so na ye bisa mo question mo ti wada mo kasa me come wo mo dia Calvin boy e dey so for usu bempa yes sabe uyo difo na wagimi a pe konkremoni so nonsense so for ben wo Ghana o se wa ben chief imam so for ben no Ghana ha a o se onim sunsun niema e chen chief imam se awurade be kasa chief imam what akofo be yirada mo tete wa mo hwi dem ho guess e hwi amanfo yire no se mo awurade ne mo kasa nonsense wa brabo chief imam abomma bomu fa tram wa so for na ejeja so for na edwan Islam no en Christopher na edwan konkre musumo no mo dem ntena na mo dem mfa san kom hye ehunu na Ghana for kwesiata Kwame Eugene anyway mo bre yie mo tutum ne yie enye bebia na wo se mokọ nipa bia logic and common sense you have to watch your security wa bebo ho ban wa bebo wankasa ho ban don't trust your friends woman make friend trust no wunu ya friend trust no or girlfriend men trust you bia don't trust anybody that is life yeni me that trust no one enye na buy why be catch say omo life in danger this year everybody's life is in danger once afaka once awudidi once awunu nsuo once ewiabo once you are alive means your life is in danger every minute every hour every seconds. All that you need to do is car now with him, the driver should drive carefully. Hospital now, the doctor should give you the right medication. Make sure you are eating the right food. If not, your life is in danger. Where your common sense? This has nothing to do with Kwesiata and Kwame Eugene. They should be careful. Next or not, then Anwakano, a bemwa or kind, a memoir or Mwesiano. Omo ya no in 50-50. Now odifo to me say I've seen something but it is not yet confirmed. If the thing is not yet confirmed, na just say Ewurade vision no. The vision is not yet confirmed. Who told you to come and say it? It doesn't make sense. Na just say wo kra no why aswoden e o say Ewurade e chicken no lashew. Tasofo no I say nyankopon o ma abofo ebebo we chickens na wusue nyansa because the thing is not yet confirmed in the spiritual realm. So why are you saying it? Yes, answer members no mo adwenya denti na members so atwe handkerchief. Oh man of God, God bless you. You are blessed. Na na nyima handkerchief na mo adwenya didi abro. Munim sika asofo ne gi ne 31st year. Omon kan ye me say up to today sika na asofo ni begin the 31st they are counting, they haven't finished. Won kan asofo beto ni this year me say afi we ube won kan asofo bedem hey mo bro won offering bowl e wo masalachi da asoli ya eyi ebrebi obi ko wie sika CCTV camera che no offering bowl esi asodem ho baako 10 offering bowl 10 show me one masalachi one mosque with an offering bowl no be catch him say Abraham adan han kan kremofo ho asem kremofo ayeden won kremofo ma prophecy say that won malambia wa be ka say obi bewuda aba social media be ka say o man pegin we bewu we bi da wo masalachi ye so seed wo masalachi a o mu ye yibibu Ewurade adwuma. I don't believe in a God who cannot do his own work. Then that God is without due respect is a weak God. Hey, me catch them with that. But when now wo ko Bishop Obinim asoli a yes smart. Bishop Obinim has the power to put money in people's bank accounts, but doesn't have the power to put money in the offering bowl. Are you normal as a church member? This man of God is so powerful. He can put money in people's bank accounts, and give lotto numbers. And this man of God doesn't have power to put money in the offering bowl, but will take money from the poor people. This pastor is the number one scammer of all time. They say, Atai, Mosoya Kronfo. I'm telling you today, with all due respect, some pastors and prophets are thieves. What the stars vision kwana mu Kwasiata ene Kwame Yuji ene Kidi and mo friend kitue yi omo abeyi a omo ma Ghana music enya nimunyam kakra mu beku won timpacho 80s 70s nim adofo ampedu Daddy Lumba na champon tete musicians no tete difo no de omonum nsem ko mu ankomo da so tias 80s nim 90s nim yet say no obi kasa Daddy Lumba bewu enyi na machi de da so tias entity difo no hyehyɛ nkom sɛ santrofo de bewu a anka ba beto iron boy munsuye nyansa wedifo munsuye nyansa and the brebi kasa endro sadabay brebi kasa so ma sofo no si asante hini begu no warning onim no nya san kwasia prophecy ni biom no obeka e de fa asante hini ho o metwa nesu asante mem difo no sabe munsuye nyansa na moye mpanyimfo amontra Reverend Bofo, one so yes smart. Reverend Bofo who say Chief Imam ni nkremofo, Chief Imam ni nkremofo, any sofo usu bempenya problem pe. One say Reverend Bofo wakwa visit we Chief Imam. One usu ni nyansa. One ni nyansa. Opportunist. We yi afa ho okoje ni monyam. And the Lord is one metum with Chief Imam fee. Na kam ye nkremonist. Merci. Yeah. Oh, black man. Wafa won lam. We ya fa won. Ba, akọ Chief Imam ho, okoso o de achede ye beko, okope ni munyam. We mo para from ni bi para. Me ka tell the para mu ni bi. Odi fo se wa ben. On try me Abraham. O de o se Ewurade ama power. Wo tumi ko sunsun wi ase. We are from Najimi house number and I do bra. What to me? Nonsense. Yeah, Nanka Mebusi ni Kwame Yuji. Anka mimi ani Kidi. Mimi ani Kwasiata. Niti pie ne cry problem. Niti do be catch him say niti pie no. Me name squad ne kwa so. Mimi ano. Sunsumu wi ase. O ka say 100 hu yi niti pa tie nden. Asi ankom hye nko a. Say GH1 Wahe. I see GH1 or baby a go GH1. Now Sanko wu last year August. Now afi the life is in danger. Obi I want say wu last year August. What prevented the death? So baby a go GH1 now the life ye dey. Ama benyuado. Prophet na jardina o say ama benyuado. O say bompa e ma no. Ohono na members ni monsem ehono members no oso monsem members na monsem ehono hu se ohono members no mo adwen eye adwuma adwen ye dwoto se ana masa who start ye who start prophecy ye tie na wo ye members ya good day mi ho dem fa so ye 2000 obu nyina ba 31st say 31st night Ewurade shenkoma mia o members ye good day mu ho we sign members ni na ho e na obi onu wo fie kra wada e bi kra sada no 31st night na kwasiata oye Kristonia o wone sofo Kwame Yuji e wone sofo Kidi e wone sofo Ewurade di message beba on fe mo asofo e wo de mo ehu po a mo de mo mfre nipa ne na mo ba public e be penny mo nyam wo de me through we ego prophet so a na beti asem bi okai me to aso ama benyuado I say one of the former president or the wife will bring pain to Ghana. One of the former presidents or the wife will bring pain to Ghana. But former president for no omotia sisiano Papa J any President Kufuor any omoyerenom but we no omoyamofra the possibility for them to die easy where nyam come share we no say one of the tertiary institutions who said tertiary institutions no ye close it back down but on person be body wait tertiary institutions yi niam nkoyie ama ye hu say ebinum demonstration ni ade ekoso ama problem aba problem bi kra wo ho a ye nso bu nhwie enti bodin wait watu chacha enti asemi si wo any tertiary institution pe wo yodifo 50-50 profit metwaso or say there will be labor strike na wo dada we nyam commission and o ko sunsun wiase no ko Nigeria we pagana ho edifo mugu Nigeria de sebe omo yenre edifo no mugu Nigeria no omo yenre wo ya prophet for Ghana we sign Ghana ho ewura the spiritual realm akwakoduru Nigeria also oduru Nigeria I say PDP will win in Nigeria but if they don't but they won't enter the state house PDP be wini bonko state house okay the world will lose a president. Wait. A reactive president by Akubu. Now, in prophet, we are saying, winning president, winning president, any former president, for whom we are saying, the possibility for an head, because it doesn't begin with a vowel. It begins with a vowel and another one. Well, the possibility say a former head of state be a president to die, 50-50. This is not a prophecy. Prophecy adia wasubi. Obeka say ewrade yi a kire me say oba bi bewo na wo ba no bewo no akoda no ne nsa ye fo ade ye nsi da na ye hu say eh strange na meka say afi ewrade bie meni na megura sunsun wiase no be hu say oba bi awontafo oba baako bema baako we ye prophecy Ebrebi prophet Niger kuru ya be hye nkom say ewrade yi a kire say June July August ensuo beto pa we a nonsense essence June July August and ensuo to but me a prophesy say there will be a flood in Accra this year. Every year there is flood there because our drainage system is not good. I say Donald Trump will shock the world. And look at the we send to America. Let's pray for Cameroon. Lots of death. I'll see. Businessmen will suffer. When your prophecy, businessmen are already suffering. Businessmen are already suffering. Abranema Kuraba Port will to me. Asemana money yeke. Hey, Prophet Niger, when you Ghana £4, when your members, Papa. Yeah, say businessmen will suffer. And for you browse, they will suffer. You'll be $1 Actually, I can't when we are prophets. I can even give accurate prophecies even more than them. But to me, can someone a year more accurate than even what they are saying? I'm growing a moody. Prophet or my prophecy. No, beside members say, me do number. Just or no plano. Soon we ask no one, and he would have feel number one. Even his God cannot tell him the number he's up to. No, beside members say, prophecy, no, me drew number. Where your prophet or no cloning number. The members are even more careful than this prophet. Okay. I say, I say, businessmen will suffer, but those who know the Lord will be exempted. Omo money me rade de, rade mfem komo so. When me Christo for musical women's good. When me Christo for business, I'm messed up. Or members need be krom business e good no mutia so dem 31st na kra no. Omo pay da so afi so for that ben na magic collection. Na musical mo no so dem pum. And na duru baby, and every Sunday, mo je ntoboa, churches no. Every Sunday, we for the go saw them. and every Sunday we anyway you go for there ya manofen ko business hwe edom ayegu obi nim aso dem hwe edom amugu reverend bofo aso dem me kire mu nyansa for free every Sunday momo ni adwuma ye no obi antro ni dimbra so for je wo collection owi age wo so seed me kire mu nyansa every Sunday enye fundraising for one member hwe ni pegu aso dem eye 22 seed kra nipa ne betu nya be 10,000 Ghana no they are starting business within 1 year now was solving unemployment situation in this country. Sabe munsu nyansa na muye nibiri for them. Muye nibiri for too much. Who are members 5,000? 5,000 members. Ena watchro members ni na di ehiafo na eni nkunafo eni omu niska no. Ma bi so obi adwuma pese oye. One Sunday metu nya nipa mienu. Munya 10,000 Ghana. O de 10,000 Ghana. Mon fema nipa miensa. 10,000 Ghana. Mama wait 3,000. Wait 3,000. Wait 3,000. Ya shemudwa. Wunnim ya mon pai se radima me adwuma bio. God doesn't give work. It is common sense that gives work. God will not give you work. Or babies ya saw them. Young babies ya saw them. Sabe with all due respect, udima a shawo for 31st night and mo mujina bonten to mo ho 31st night omo ba asole e de ashawo sika e beto offering bo mu aso for kwa akodi nonsense sa ge yi ojina bonten to ne ho no ge ni nya 1,000 Ghana and can start business 1,000 Ghana and I catch them no John boy bi sia saw them onya 1,500 onya 2,000 Ghana and they are starting force e ma say oya hard worker 2,000 Ghana or the kofa jeans kra no the coaching ana onya container ketwa bi no de ye boutique kakra aka young boy no ebe ya no start mobile money kakra wenim ho kakra mu na boy nenya ska na wakwa akoto picanto no de starting Uber na the life asasa munsu nyansa mo say too much eni bre ni abro Chakasi asofo ne wo mudi wiase kwan enti sofo wo car no Range Rover 8 na wo no the Range Rover 8 uni medwuma betu ye bie but all due respect and the ura sofo fia obe dodge cars sa wo ura sofo fia na cars no a block gate cars tonko a cars to and a sofo what mansion e wo Dubai and so what mon no wiase anania me we wiase no obi do wiase a ejane do ni nimu ti mon tie mo Bible Mark chapter 3 verse 28 all these pastors with all due respect are greedy bastards. When I come to them, in the brefo, they are wolves in sheep clothing. Me catch them. Me say go to my Bible. Na me dia chim free SHS, any free Bible education, MPP, any. Tie Matthew chapter 12, verse 28. Any. O say she na atwerefo ne mu baako o te se origi echinye na ohunu se webua no yiye no ebebisa no se emransem a edikan ene de ewehene na Yesu bua ne se de di emran nyina kan ne se Israeliti Ewrade ye nyankopon kro na do Ewrade nyankopon efiri wakoma nyinam ene wo kra nyinam ene wadwe nyinam ene wahoode nyinam na de to so mienu no enie do wonyonko se wo ho emransem bi ani ho a eche ne we no na otwerefo no na otwerefo no se no se wie okay mama na do wonyonko se wo ho na atwerefo no se no se da bi enya ha eni wana ko ton de wo na fa me hiafo abenya wo japade wo soro eba Matthew 19 Matthew 19:16 Matthew 19:16 na men kan mo funu plan nya fast na P black ni ho mo boss ni ho na ne ho fa me sa no ochina chi me ba ni P black se sia no ye ja one day the next day fire ba mo ho ahyehye o mo rough any Matthew chapter 19 Verse 16. Or say, once a young man came to Jesus. Teacher, he asked, what good thing must I do to receive eternal life? At the papa ben na menya dankwa. Chine Jesus catching him. Why do you ask me concerning what is good? Jesus asked, there is only one who is good. Keep the commandment if you want to enter life. It yes catch and say, so person ye perfect ya. Ondi mransem no so. Me etwa so. What commandment? He asked. Jesus answered, do not commit adultery. Do not commit murder. Do not steal. Do not accuse anyone falsely. Respect your father and mother and love your neighbor as yourself. I have obeyed all these commandments. The young man replied, what else do I need to do? Enti Yesu kacha se kodi mransem no so do onyonko se ho di wagya ne wonani ena okacha Yesu emra ne medini na so de wanyina aka biom de aka no ena muntie eni tie wow, I have obeyed all these commandments. The young man replied, what else do I need to do? Jesus answered him, if you want to be perfect, go and sell all you have and give your money to the poor, and you will receive riches in heaven, and come and follow me. Yesu kacha ne say, kona koton we japadie nyina na feme hiafo do benya foforo so asofwe. Jesus kacha obi so nkoton ne japadie feme hiafo e japadie bebrebe amoabo anu wo de koyin eni brefo o de mento we japadie nyina ja wodan no wo cars bebrebe no o de ja cars me yansa cars na aka no ton na febo a members hiafo unsu nyansa me to aso. I say one of the financial institution boss will die. Financial institutions boss be financial institution or can the general financial institution banks na ka wow te wow John Mahama will win massively. Just say prime minister omo John Mahama ebe win massively. Where yan come she where yan come she omo ne John Mahama eko complete John Mahama o win ni say and oduru men's gold issue ne so enie oduru men's gold so no o si we hu edua kese bi prophet naja we hu edua kese bi na ohu edua no ne sike gu ase na ohu se sike gu ase no e na o te se enkrofo osu e no mo se emframa fiska ni nyina akọ nti e no hu se ya ji properties e na ya ton na still properties are your ton, you know. Omwa omusika ewudua na se no. Enye obia ansa ene ke ne sika. We anya prophecy e na adwen why smart. Men's gold asema abai. Ombeso bo solve a amanfo osu dada. Edua no eye nam 1. Sika de egu ase no eye omo a omo de sika ekogu men's gold. Ene esu a omu su no eye omo complain no. Ena enframana esese sika ne koye eye nam 1 a wadwane eno hunu se ya ton ejapade na ye die tuaka na anso nam 1 ejapade e wo Ghana ha amanfo nim se abayumpo ekase o ton ejapade no na wache sika no e de men's gold customers ya enso we nya nkom hye eye entro eye ndada eye scam Prophet Nigel, with all due respect, you are a scammer. Hey, Akronfo obu AK-47 no na mi kura no. Akronfo in disguise. Me na me ka me kira. Akronfo in disguise. AK-47 is this book, I'm telling you. So what is so be abo open kokoko na wo bie gate na nipa ni kura Bible a dwanejano scam upon aba. With all due respect, the last prophecy any he saw someone wearing another shoes. There is a prophet Elijah be so kire say o man pay another ba bewu because obi a hye ne mpaboa and na so for usu ben pass we hu ni say 2020 another we ni so who is fooling who? So for usu bempa the same God e ka kire so for usu bempa say na nado ebe wi ni 2020 Magiatum. The same God, a yatra prophet Niger, said Nanado and Pabwa Obi Beshe. Who is fooling who? What can I see a Jimmy on? What can I Ghana for your better only a Jimmy say on? Maybe may call a girl prophet. A girl prophet, Dieni. Che, ye Mafia versus Ninja, part 2. Ye call Mafia versus Ninja, part 3. Obienti. A girl prophet, also Bugura Sunsumuchi Yasi. In the spiritual realm, but one trade plane and would 3. So do 4th plane, so do 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th plane, meaning, I say, on said Bawumia Ebewu 2019. Bawumia Bewu, Tiamon Paima Bawumia, yo. Now, some more Kaya Muso, yes, come on, any with all due respect. A girl prophet, I can say. Last year, or no prophesy say, Bawumia ebenya problem. Ampa, Bawumia ebenya problem. Yale, we no call UK. Ekosana yade. Na Bawumia ba yano. Bawumia wa medasi ewo na asole. Na emu okodasi ewo pastor Mensa wotabela asole. Some we are businessmen. When you know the same Jesus. And one Jesus. Jesus na ego prophet uboni dino. And the same Jesus. And a pastor Mensa wotabel eboni di. Jesus bank account no eya baako. Enti sika no ya de brawo ego prophet ya. O de kwato Jesus account mu. Pastor Mensa wotabel so e de beto the same account mu. Enti ebufuo ben na wom. Ah, o shem komwa e wo se wo kasa asem we mo to na beda ho Ghana for di for mo time aso we are entering into the age of Aquarius. We are in the age of information. We are in the age of enlightenment. If you want to remain a fool, with all due respect, it is your own cup of tea. Mu Jesus no be wi asimpo. Mu Jesus no be wi asimpo. Efunu ponko po no ni bi. Efunu ponko. Na Jesus na antefom. Mu Jesus ni mpo bi ba Jesus nchen. Ebe ka kire Jesus say. O kirekirefo be bia be ko bia medi wachi. Jesus ka kire ne say enuma e wo be bia moda. Na sakraman e wo be bia woda. Na me wo nipa ba Jesus. Me ni be bia medi meti beto. One no Jesus oba ni wiase mpo hwebra wo bre magye atum so ba wiase according to your Bible say Jesus ba wiase a hwe ne ho kire no Jesus ne maame Mary a wo ne ba Mary ba wiase mpo wonya ne ho mfaso mu ama ba kire mo hweja Peter kra Peter hwamania Peter guni Paul hwe amania Paul kra yesi na bo Paul me to aso why Jose Bawumia ohun send the spiritual realm ka Bawumia betunya be ye president but ebinum peso mu kono so hwe ne hu yie na say Bawumia no MPP for peso mu kono MPP for na e peso mu kono na mo Ghana for mpanyimfo mo tete ho e ma sebi mpreduasa e sukwa no manum sei e de omo ano e fefa mo ho na mubewu na mote ho Papa J abreso pa bra Papa J military rule but me de nkwasi asem we kabai na wechi na aso wechi wache wa hye baby abo kings why steady e ga prophet de me ba Bawumia bewu MPP for na pese kuno tie mompai that means prayer will change God's mind. God, excuse me, want to tell me God is so stupid, say he want to kill Bawumia. But if Ghanaians we pray, our prayer will change the mind of God. It is an insult to the Creator. We are not wiser than God. God knows those who will die and God knows those whom he should spare. So if God says truly Bawumia is going to die, nobody, no amount of prayer can change it. Nonsense. With all due respect. Number 2, MPP should be very careful. he saw someone coming from the central region forming his own party. Because of that, a quasi confusion, assassination, nipekum, esi wa MPP mu. Will be from the central region or betting way free MPP at the party. Now, because of that, nipekum e bogura MPP mu MPP for e kunkum ho. When say sofo usu bempa, owo MPP nti o hye enkom papa e de ma MPP. Eagle prophet e NDC prophet when one also ne prophecy. Aden ede na mu amu je edifo amugu Ghana. Aden na mu gum hu ani mu ase ene mu Nyankopon ene Jesus ene mu Bible mu gu book na ni mu asesa aden mo je den ede na mu pebiom me to aso I say John Dramani Mahama will lose one of his sons. Now because of that or man paying John Mahama ni dimbe sai wo Ghana e ma manfo kura aka say we ku ne baba akon e de power enye sebe Evrade e di asemni e de na ekoso wo Ghana e difo Haji no size mo akwaba. Congratulations for your award. Why Haji no size mo je dien Ghana fo difo John Mama where the what I was why Udi for Eagle prophet. Na nkom hye no o se wo man ba ku bewu na no nti Ghana for beka say wo do ba na koye sacrifice na wo kunu say wo wuo no efri Burkina wo be di nkwase asem memfa ma mi krom Burkina mbem Eagle prophet wo be di wo nkwase asem a memfa me ma mi krom Burkina wo say o wuo no efri Burkina side na kire say ni popeso ku John Dramani ne ba no nipa ne koye ade no Burkina ede nkwase asem kure with all due respect me to aso wo hu se emma bebre half naked omo je demonstration na dia owo ye ne say Golden Jubilee was under attack aeroplane abwura Golden Jubilee Flagstaff House aeroplane abwura ho Emma Ghana leaders bebre wo hu se ne ade do mo we ye nkomsha ye hye we nye terrorist prophecy or who say aeroplane wura Flagstaff House kum empanyifo no ene yade do mo e dia semini Eagle prophet me pa chew mesramo some of the prophets you understand enkoye say ye tramadolo say abodama shasio say the beginning of genealogy where you come sha yeshe go YouTube na kobo the prophecy of prophet we Eagle prophet na koti nonsense wow he saw a plane crash say Africa ye mompaye no say African Airlines no mienu akrash Africa Airlines mienu akrash won't mention say Ghana Airways will be revived. Your companies ya ewo Africa your companies no ewo Ghana companies no egu empenyufo to me revive it empenyufo to me be another company empenyufo ever basic cathedral instead of company mo nya won komhye o kasape na yesi wudidi atem. Prophecy in this country, prophecy in Ghana is genealogy of the highest degree. Na me come chiro. But I say some come we America. Sebi imprebiasa with all due respect. Jimmy Sembeni. Say Flagstaff House. Who say aeroplane? Abwura ho eku Ghana fo mpanyimfo. Yo, me to aso why? Munti another one. I'll say the National Cathedral will be built. All those pastors speaking against it will lose their lives. National Cathedral ni yebesi. Na asofo na omo kasetia National Cathedral no omu nyina bewu. Pacho owu ye de treti nipa. National Cathedral yebesi no asofo no omo kasetia National Cathedral no omu ni nyansa ho. Only so for Becca say, my National Cathedral because there are churches in Ghana already. Churches require to me kind. Do you know the number of churches in this country? I hear a Jumaye, who mu a deep for a crown, mu a deep for an impu. See a numa, a numa Ghana, a bema mumu atomo, because a man for her again, ye pejumo, enti a juma ba, and I'm hoba tomo, and ya saw nine, and soleno a blue hodada. Oh, because it's a national cathedral. Now, the can say you were national theater, you were national museum, and no Diobian Casentia. Stop it. With all due respect, national museum, only national theater, and for the nation. But the national cathedral, the cathedral is for one religion in this country. It is an even insult to the constitution. The constitution, am I a freedom of religion? It is for man penny, who person will see something religious with taxpayers' money. I will say we see a dear. Everybody in this country, every religious belief can go there. I don't know one friend, no. National Religious Center. Now, I'm National Religious Center. Na obi o religion bi matumi akọ na nkremofo program o makwaye wo ho Christopher program o makwaye wo ho abosomsomfo program o makwaye wo ho. Once we see Edema Christopher nko ano we didi o mo maka na tem nonsense munsuye nyansa national theater nkremoni nko Christo ni nko won say Christo ni ura national cathedral e ma nkremoni stop na won so abosomsom ni e ura national cathedral e ma nkremoni stop na nonsense. National museum a national heroes, national way treasures, national way artifacts, national BB near the go. Your mining na the Kremofo Christopher Achem Dagati Gonja Grusi Sala Mamprusi and Kremofo will be adia. Nonsense. Metwaso. Another one. I say Kwame Nkrumah di Abusumi Bagana. And now Kwame Nkrumah yes sacrifices. Now Kwame Nkrumah yes sacrifices no. Or the Empenyinifua on free central region and the yes sacrifice no. And nothing a penny be out of free central region. Ebet ne Kunyano so ebe ye president, ebe ye prime minister and chelo bewu we smart. When we say we emisata we of free central region where fast prophecy. On paying Thomas of the central region where and on what I say the calculation no mame fanya prophecy na me say Kwame Nkrumah abosum no de ba ye no omo de omo ye sacrifices leaders from central region where Jimmy Kakra won ege prophet where Jimmy Kakra won Lucky say me nka Kwame Nkrumah busuafo ho ka beti wo samia bo wodam o ka say o man ye chechire na kwa o ka say chechire o man kwa nonsense. The Munjim from Jimmy Kwame Nkrumah so. The Kwame Nkrumah is leaders for sacrifice. And a Christopher Jesus di amwabo Ghana, ye bo utu pay, ye bo utu pay, ye bo into 2 me Kwame Nkrumah this special Ghana. What to go to 2 me? Anya mu na yen so ba power no take a prophet. 2 me Jesus di ama ko cast wo na go to 2 me free way. Very simple, no need to talk. Kwame Nkrumah die bribi magia tum Everybody yachrawo girl prophet tamo Bible woni wa so limpanyimfo monko ho Kwame Nkrumah tumi no di free him fa ba ye no kwana kotutu I say patapa will be poison. You be poison patapa. Why? And be a patupa soldier. Mama can't professor Mugu Ghana no. What only artists we be diagram and fan ko patapa so. Na me ka me kiro. Me a patupa and loyal patupa soldier. Me patapa mi ni no agro. Me ndi patapa no agro. Wo be hye nkomo a fafa be be different. Na patapa de patapizi. Ba straight road nigga ina wonya omobo. Ege prophet. Woni mbra patapa wa bre. Eti patapa won yo mobo wow patapa no jina stage ya ti wan kasa won mo mpa ma branch ya bra branch ya bre enne ne nsa kona no we di sunsun wiase genealogy e be hunu na branch e ri asem mo je den e wo Ghana celebrities Ghana musicians o ma ya mo den etu ma me ebusiem wo papa ebusiem o mo ye safe this year anameboa Edifo no mo ebusuafo mo maame no mo papa no mo aunties ne mo ma omo ye safe mo this year mo family member bi e no obewu enye sa no mo ehu ti sofo kubi sofo usu bempa Eagle prophet Niger mo ebusua mo ehu hwe chief imam wotini baabi president Kofu a wabo ni brewie Papa J a wabo ni brewie Papa J ti we wo gedian asante ne gedian Pata Pizzy waka mo sua nyansa de na che o edifo amugu kromu a mo be sua nyansa de na che papa yo ase boga bi free Jamaica na boga no ba be boa patapa na patapa be kofa ma ya poison no de ohun ye no otu aso a o si ekuadonko will be attacked wa brewe no onyo hobo ekuadonko attack otu aso a o si 2020 they shouldn't think about NDC momo ndwen presidential candidate edientia John Mahama Fadada, but they should think about where the running mate will come from and be determine on feet na say running mate on befa no and be chere on feet na kwa chere running mate kro no wa boni pa din na wa chere say to be so chere say NDC and be wini na running mate na be chere na the catwalk okra no o say Ghana e befa AFCON 2019 African Cup no Ghana befa yo mate ente mewie Mafia versus Ninja part 3 part 1 Reverend Owusu Bempa part 2 Prophet Niger part 3 Eagle Prophet afena meko part 4 Osofo Bedu Kubi Glorious Wave International the prophecies in the Montana no mo keka de mo pengu o my Ghana so why cause police bi anche and asunsumu asem yemfa kokot ti mo keka de mo pe and obi send me voice audio say ono so wenya vision say nyankopon say ohia asofo ni mu ba ko a onwo ne se kan kunu eno nso mo ya ye na be ko sunsumu wiase o na am roba bi so betena o say wenya vision le urade aka che ne se ono so onko robo Ghana Commercial Bank Ochina also it was a prophecy so when take time in the name of this prophecy or mine no e be say yo Prophet Kubi I say vision di kan Nigeria for Prophet Bedu Kubi the prophecies ni why Mafia versus Ninja part 4 or say Nigeria election putting it on hold putting it on hold no more to abana and the disaster ebeba Nigeria Abra Eagle Prophet who say PDP wi ni no Prophet Niger and wait, Prophet Niger, who said Nigeria PDP winning. Eagle Prophet, who said, Eagle Prophet, who said, wait, Nigeria election, wait, Obia winning, PDP winning, but over to me, I'm called Flagstaff, away, or Flagstaff for. And Prophet Bedu Kubi so we say, no. More to Abano, no more to Abana, there will be disaster. Yo, you're not winning us right. Yo. Or say Ghana election, Prophet Bedu Kubi. Or say Ghana election, Nienupe election across Ghana. Nienupe and a young ream. The year 2000 election and the 2008 election and a year clean. Or say 2016, Diorini no OVI. 2012, Diorini OVI. 2014, Diorini OVI. 1992 election, Diorini OVI. 1996 election, Diorini OVI. Or say waka, who are wopeno, who are wopepigini and Montiasano, Mombra, no betcha Mukanya, Mufa Suriai. With Mamma chance, Ghana phone pay for Montraway. Or some year before. Why? Number 2, I say Ghana sports will not see light till 2020. It was 2019. Ghana football enko ye mayen. Ghana sports, yes sports including boxing. Now I say Ghana boxing bi obekonto ko bi lose. America tuo Ghana ni obeko bi lose. Football I say Ghana Cup okra Ghana ntumi nje. Ghana Cup. Next I say Premier League ya yebebo Ghana ha kra no. Obi ntumi mfa Premier League no. Sa na okan. I say Ghana Cup okra no ye ntumi hwini. Next I say yebebo Premier League wo Ghana ha. But obi amfa Cup nkomhye no. Ti AFCON ye nto ya dwemi. I say Donald Trump. What did Donald Trump there? Sunsumu wiase mu ne pa. And the Yanko Pope Donald Trump asempa. Why? I said Donald Trump will face challenges. Why? I said the Ghana people will have peace na Ghana ekunbiano or Ghana betu aso. January to July, I want you to ba when na Niger DNB. Patro I want you to order that. Why? And we friend Tonchen. I want you to order that. Why? Policemen will be part of armed robberies. Patro police for no armed robbery for the be frame dada. Why? To any prophecy. Corruption will be exposed. Munim say ya lining Crawford up. Martin Amidu are lining Crawford up. Into the say corruption will be exposed. One patcho ya found one agenda to any prophecy. Why? Or see gayism and homosexual will increase. Patcho at the increase that Nungwa Kra Omugua and easy homosexuals no almost started. Why? Lesbian no are started at that to a young commission. Why? Or say dollar will rise to 5.4 dollar will rise to 5.4. Say see America say dollar 4.83. Say see 4.83. And the possibility say dollar ebedru 5.4 no eswa. I say won commission no eba na kire say dollar ebedru 10 Ghana enna emutwe grobi na mudi. Prophecy number 10. All banks in Ghana will struggle. Me pacho banks ne struggle oh. Banks ne struggle. Mama can't say Ghana commercial bank okra ye ko hoye ntumi yiska. Mo aboko yi Western Union ni MoneyGram. Bokwa. Mo hwa bra ye bre. Enti banks no asai prophet Kubi eda na huye. We useless. America will go through economic crisis. O ka say America to say Ghana ho. Ogasa America to say ma America to say KJT akwa we crisis ma kola plan to win we financial crisis na America o dey turn for America dia bro. Why businesses in Ghana will struggle. Businesses in Ghana are already struggling. This is not prophecy. Prophecy number 13. The church will face persecution and it will lead to the collapse of the party in power. Now I say on mine any the church ebenya problem. The bema abine bacho church na one wa problem diaba. And ama see a problem tension we see ano the prophets and the nation. Wa seven previous. Seven previous. One usua nyansa mbenya peace. Ujimia. Yes, you say Proverbs chapter 18. Wow, verse 6. Wow, wasi okwasia nano ema entokwaba na nafono efrefre sotro. Okwasia nano ema. Proverbs chapter 18 verse 6. Wasi okwasia nano ema entokwaba na nafono efrefre sotro. Nti edifo no mo anu wei se mo anto mo anu Bible ne se si obi susu se oye nyamesum peni na wanto na ne techre manareka. Wanfa padlock anto na no a ne nyamesum yakwa. Edifo no me ka kire mo nsuye nyansa ye wo ehunu ene ye woka ja wade bi wobetumi ehu se meyere kraye untumi nka because woka problem beba no wokra untumi nyi wuntin fifim monsuye nyansa na nyansa yesua nonsense. With all due respect, me to aso or say France will go down and this will lead to the downfall of Europe. Who can say Europe et say Ghana ho? Who can say US ni Europe et say Ghana? Wala muko sunsumu wiase mu enwu se wo bi bu apostle ko Joseph e ma Ghana afa ne ntuma pefra ti adifo ntimu wura sunsumu wiase mu ntumi anka nche Nyankopon se Nyankopon o edwuma ni Ghana ti Nyankopon yesre wa this year de yesre wo mbagu Ghana wow muko sunsumu wiase ya munsuye nyansa na mundi ma mo church members no sunsumu wiase ka che Nyankopon se Nyankopon pa chaw wow ɔman no womba wom tie paacha nyankopɔn ma Ghana mpanyifo emboa Apostle Kojosafo na Ghana fo ni bi omusika akodi men's gold tie Awurade yesrew why jiska ne mom ene Awurade Ghana enya oil la Ghana enya ye hunya hu faso bia ene obi frame a otoka $30,000 ene obeyi car ne wo Ghana otoka $3,000 and obey car no Ghana $5,000 ya nyansa bi anim waka say aw Awurade yesraw Ghana port near ma ba e Christopher to me nti yesraw mo mampani na do nya hyehye pa na yenya free port e de no bi ka kyerem say Ghana yenya free port wa omekra bola goose e de aba pepa to Togo e wo free port enye na Ghana fo dwedifo ekotu niam wo Togo no enti niam mu kotu free Togo e de ba Ghana no e ye bola goose yensu nyansa free port with good and totoye nonsense. What are you telling me? With all due respect, muko sunsumu wiase a munsu nyansa kakramra. Prophecy number 16. Say, why is the queen not dying? The Queen of England on Air Force. Queen of England. Prophet Kubi. Queen of England on the organic food. Organic farm. On Air Force. Nonsense. With all due respect. Death, prophecy number 17. The death of a young popular man of God. The death of a young popular man of God. And the woman in the back of the in person the body because one body. What check here? Prophecy number 18. Electoral Commissioner of Nigeria dead. Electoral Commissioner of Nigeria dead. Watragana ko Nigeria. Why? Prophecy number 19. God will push money to look for Christians. Na economy na ebe say no. Himfa na Nyankopon befa na we push sika dia ma Christopher no. Economy na ebe say wa hyenkom sa ahokyere beba. Ahokyere beba. Na o se Nyankopon be push sika na sika na kodi e Christopher echi a. Ni ba cho nkremofo no mo man nim no. Na o mo ye adwumade no mo nye sika na bi won. With all due respect, nyansa bi anim munyi na members egumu aso dem ne yempanyimfo na me dia me ye members mpanyimfo ebi ye ministers ebi ye celebrities na munim nyansa sei na mote ho na ye kan kwase asem na ba akuntumi mpreja ne nsa enka say man of God stop fooling. With all due respect, montumi montrawe mbaji mu sika di sa. Prophecy number 20. I say death of Ghanaians, death of great Ghanaians, omomone abedipele ene Tony Yeboah mo time no, san crofoni bi bewu bacha abedipele ene Tony Yeboah mo time no, enyo omone nkokora oso mu wudi isia bibisa nkokora be na aka bi abedipele ne Tony Yeboah mo abreso enyo omo no mo ye nkokora omu free wa me Abraham bin Moshe ne meskwa ye the next generation of nkokora yedi so where your prophecy. January to March, the church was struggle. The church was struggle here. Mwana mokofa was struggle by. And yet the church was struggle. Prophets was struggle. Muna mobreno. Munkwasi yasem. Wobrena mobreno. Wow. No say ya mompa masa akodi. No the sa akodi ho asembeba. Na oka obi ho asem ma ye mfendi agro na oka so Zi Williams de Sis Williams wi oka Terebo Nchaka wi oka brother Philip wi oka Osai Bonsu and Osai Bonsu wi mo de well we don't need death prophecies de ye person mo ye na ye gimudi no ye death and resurrection prophecies mo hyenkom se obi bewu a nipa ni wu a na mo akwa akonyane no na yagye di. Wow, the prophet Niger. Oka se boni bewu yaji atumu ewu na wako na wenyane no. Say the Jesus enyane Lazarus no. Mobile mo ne da no a comic book. The supernatural powers in the book doesn't exist. Once asole no moya wedding engagement asole no mutumi get together na mo yi physical money e di akwa akoto nsa e di akwa akoto aduane no. E kire say the miracle in Bible doesn't exist. Said Jesus to me the brodomienu and I'm 5. If he didn't pay 5,000. Na Yesu emanso da nensa. Na John chapter 14 verse 16. Jesus say, "Enuma me ye no, se munchi mi dia, monso mo beye, na mo beye akese sene me." Na asole no mo beye party. Na so fu entumi amfa nsuo anane wine. Wan fa nsuo ensuo anane malt. Wan fa nsuo andane Guinness. Na sofo no entumi amamu ankoto eyi emo 1 cup. Any akoko sere baako na one multiply na mo endi emo 1 cup any akoko sere baako na multi physical money e de koto wedding cake. You are joking. Na me come kire mo ene lesson no mawie meni adifo na wie ma adwini nya dwuma na body na mbere ma adwini nya dwuma adifo amugu Ghana munsuye nyansa o Ghana for adifo o so ma betna hama maka evangelist for asemda hwe preaching we akwesi wu anom sofo buje nom okwo ageman nom hwe preaching evangelist oduro mu preaching wutia hu nyansasem free o so maka evangelist asemda adifo mu gum wani mu ase ti mafia versus ninja part 1 2 3 and 4 no yawie ya brem owie no so members no fa oyele nyom nsem onfa oyele nyom nsem na sika no mo de oyele nyom nsem na ho so no so for no de oyele nsem a sika wa mo sa ada no na so for ku bi ka say the members ebeto cars et said there omoto tomatoes but dem want ho why yo no see this year people will kill people for money nyam commission yansa bia ni why e dia be we me da mu nyina ase mo share video no me da mo ase e bi o chena me ba live member wo chena me ba the next day me da mu nyina ase obi ama na adwe nya adwuma wo be kwa asole yakọ me see this year pe money box sika na be kwa asole no feto money box ni memo obi njibi obiom me srem CSF mo davroma eti Ghana ha etumi ammoa oil etumi ammoa award e wo US a chale momuti US ebo abaso se de wo ye na ye guda movement na ye kese mommoa na movement ni nkonani medamo nyina ase CSF adwena anya dwuma body ni bre medamo ase bebre medamo ase pa se monya adaje mo share video na mo invite friends o mo mehwe esram ye kasa nko yi a mo fencha ye kosunsu wi ase na ye duru 8 play na ya na anu a sheka kranti na o de achaye agiano size ya me hu ya park anochi me hu manya kokko money box no obi anya word asemo patro damu nyina ase that's massive damu ase why damu nyina ase tie ye de koto YouTube channel no YouTube channel no me number is 0244856241 mbwa TV program misramo mbwa TV program no mbwa TV program no why na entumi ko ye me damu nyina ase CSF damu ase mo share video ni mai I love you all why okay yenya bre a ya finish edifo no ti lessons na ye be start na ya enlighten ya ho ne ye ko ye ni damu nyina ase nhehya ye wo bia so meti yenka mbwa football team na ye no na mentumi push youth no damu ase bibre damu ase bye.